Welcome to the Managing Clients video for enrolled third-party organizations. Using the Manage Client function, you can create a new client consent form, upload a consent form that has been completed and signed by the client, and/or cancel consent for a client that you are no longer representing. To access the Manage Clients function, sign into your third-party organization's TRACS account. Select Manage Clients. Create Client Consent Form. To add a new client or update access to an existing client's account, select Create Client Consent Form. Enter the client's legal name and Alberta Corporate Account Number, or CAN, and select Next to continue. Ensure the corporation's information is correct. Scroll down to the Corporate Income Tax Authorization section. All of the authorization privileges will be automatically selected. Review the privileges and deselect the ones that the third-party organization does not need for this specific client. Select Review to continue. Select Create to generate the pre-populated consent form. Select Download Consent Form PDF to open the PDF. Once opened, you can save or print the PDF. Send the pre-populated consent form to your client. A person with signing authority for your client's corporation must review the privileges in Part 3, Authorization. If the privileges need to be removed or added, you will need to create a new consent form. If the client agrees with the privileges selected, they must complete the certification section in Part 4 of the form. Electronic signatures are accepted. The client then needs to send the completed form back to you, the representative. Upload consent form. Once you have received the completed consent form back from the client, the next step is to upload the consent form in TRACS. To do this, first save the completed consent form. Then, log into the third-party organization's TRACS account and select Manage Clients. Select Upload Consent Form. Search the list of consent forms that were generated for the third-party organization and select the row that matches with the consent form you will be uploading. Ensure that the reference number in the selected row matches the reference number in the top right corner of the consent form. Select Upload to continue. Review the information on the screen to confirm that the correct row was selected on the previous page. Select Next if it matches, otherwise select Previous. Choose the file to upload. Once the file is selected, click on Review. Before selecting Submit, choose who should have access to this client's account information within the third-party organization. If you select Firm Access, all representatives for the third-party organization will have access to this specific client's corporate income tax account information. If you select Account Representative, only you and the leads will be able to access the client's corporate income tax account. Once you have made your selection, click on Submit to continue. You will receive notification if the upload was successful, failed, or is pending. If the upload was successful, you will have immediate access to the client's account. If the upload failed, ensure the reference numbers match and that all required fields on the consent form are not blank. Try uploading again. If the upload is pending, TRA will manually review the form and will send notification by email when the consent is rejected or approved. Select Home to be taken back to the main page or click on Upload another consent form to complete another upload. Cancel consent. There may be times when the third-party organization no longer represents a specific client. If this happens, you can cancel the consent using the Manage Clients function. To initiate the cancellation, select Cancel Consent. Search for the client's account using the corporate account number, legal name, or select Account List to view all accounts and make a selection. Select Next to continue. The results from your search will populate on the next screen. If more than one option appears, select the appropriate account by clicking the radio button for that row. Select Review. Review the information and ensure the correct account was selected, as you will not be able to undo the cancellation once the request is completed. Select Submit to continue. You will have to agree yes to complete the cancellation or no to start over. If you selected yes, The cancellation will be immediate. No one in the third-party organization will have access to that client's account. If an account's consent was canceled in error, you or another representative in the third-party organization will need to create a new consent form, including having the client re-sign. You will not be able to re-upload a previous version. Thank you for watching the Managing Clients video.